At the tail end of last year, 2020, and early on this year, the Pomera keyboard line from King Jim released an e-ink screen version that actually opened up and clamshelled all over the place, and it was really cool. This one is the more advanced, luxurious, higher-end model, deemed the DM200. Unfortunately, no, it is not running an e-paper screen or an e-ink screen, so if you're not interested in that, get out of here. No, I'm just kidding. Stick around because it is really cool. So this is the Pomera LCD LED model. Now there is something to be said that some people say, you know, it feels old. It feels like those old early 2000s digital dictionaries or those translators. But you know, there's something to be said that a full-size keyboard just doesn't happen anymore. When people use tablets and phablets and phones, you don't get that full tactile feeling anymore that you do on an actual keyboard. So when you open it up, you get the unit itself. You get some stuff on the side. This should be the USB micro USB, so hold on to that. Micro USBs, funnily enough, are becoming less popular, so if you actually need to charge this, you'll need a little bit of an older unit. Technology, I should say. USB 2 wall charger. That top just wants to fall down. USB 2 wall charger, King Jim branded. It's probably just some AliExpress thing that they, you know, branded their own, which is fine. I mean, whatever. It's just a charger. It's all passive. And you have the documentation, the DM200 right here with the serial number. Go ahead and hold on to that. In this case, we're not going to show this because this is like 180 pages. So just put that off to the side. So that's everything that comes in the box. Let's look at the unit itself. Very exciting. I've honestly not even opened this yet. I do know that it is not the e-ink version. So you get several brandings here. King Jim. You get Pomera on the back, not on the top for some reason. That's kind of weird. So you do have a full-size SD card here, which you can use to put a converter or whatever, and then some rubber stoppers. You also have some really fine Phillips screws if you need to open the device and service it, which we do not recommend. Now, opening this up, you do get a regular keyboard for the most part. Oh, it turns right on. Well, that's cool. How far down can I put this so it looks good? Right about there. So you get a full keyboard for the most part, and you know what? You actually get some stickers too. And this will be for the Japanese crowd if you want to put these stickers on. And they're actually individual stickers, so that'll take you a while. You got to take off the delete, and well, you wouldn't put it over that because it already says delete. But it's nice to have some backup. So you could put this over just to preserve the keys, like for example these keys up and down, you can put them on that, or you can just leave this as is, but it is nice that they include that. So here is the Pomera keyboard, and you do have the ability to type away, and you can see it is using the it starts off in the Japanese language there, and I'm pretty sure we will do a little bit of a deep dive to see if we can change this into other languages. For now, this is everything that comes in the box on the DM200. If you are interested in grabbing this, you can grab it from goodereader.com/blog/shop. Link will be down below, and a review coming up soon. For goodereader.com, this is Peter.